Material master, sir.
Okay, material master price changing.
Yes, sir.
What error it is coming? You sent to me screenshot.
Yes, sir. I sent to you, sir.
1 second.
Sir, posting period, sir.
Okay, posting period not opened.
Yes, sir. Posting period is not open, sir.
Still it is you getting same error. Huh?
Yes, sir. Still getting same error, sir.
Maybe in your system I mean server is different, so that's what. If we have okay, after this class, okay, or maybe
Okay.
after 1 hour 40 minutes, so you have any desk, right, your system?
Sir? Yes, sir. Unitex.
Okay, I will take a remote desk your system, you will show me, I will help you on that. Okay, I can tell here,
Okay, sir.
but maybe when you're doing practically you will get again same, you're getting confused. I will tell you what to do, then you can do that. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So last class, P2P cycle under we discussed PR, RFQs we discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
So how to create RFQs also, ME 41, 42, we see this one, correct?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes. Next, now we'll see quickly. I will create one purchase requisition, then I will do the RFQs, then it will be one cycle, otherwise you will get confused again. So what is what and all. Okay. The first.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Tell me.
nothing, sir.
Tell me, no problem.
I video is recorded or not, sir? I'm asking. Recording, sir.
Yeah, it's happening.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So now we'll create one purchase requisition, ME51N. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So purchase requisition is an internal document. In header level, there is no any vendor information. Okay, because it's a external internal document. So whenever you creating materials, we don't know which vendor is going to supply the materials under even. So that's the reason. So it's a internal document. In header level, there is no any vendor information. Let's say examples. Now I'm going to create a material. I mean purchase requisition. Okay, then okay. So TV 32-inch. Okay, one material. Okay, 5
Okay.
quantity.
Okay.
5 quantity. Delivery date to 20. Okay, so 10th July 2020. Plan to D1 P1. Okay, storage location D1 S1. Okay. Okay. Next save.
Save.
Here. Okay. Now once PR approved by manager, then we will start to RFQs. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
1001 7886. Okay. Next RFQ creation is ME41. Okay. Quotation deadline. That means it's a the PO RFQ document type is EIN. RFQ date is today date. Quotation deadline. That means within this date, vendor has to give the prices to me for TV 32 inches. So what is the cost, or maybe he has to submit the prices to me. So I'm giving vendor to send me the prices next to 16 days. I mean 3 working days, 23, 24, 25, 26. 4 days I'm giving time. Okay, we should.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in PR we decided price, na, sir?
Price we are not decided.
How,
Where we decided price? Okay.
for laptop we put 30,000, na, sir?
But I didn't enter laptop, right? Here I entered, it is a Sony TV. See, ME52N,
Yes, sir.
32 inches TV.
Yes, sir. In last class, sir, we entered a price for a laptop, sir.
Maybe.
But how can we can't able to create price for vendor product, na sir?
See, that is material cost is there in my databases. It's not vendor price, right?
Okay.
See, whenever you creating materials in our databases in MM01, we have to give the material cost.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so with that, the system is if you're not maintaining material cost in MM01, system will not save the data. We are saving the data with the cost, material cost. Okay, so whenever you creating purchase requisition, I created materials is last month. Okay, but in that time the material cost, as you said, it's a laptop cost is 30,000. Now its a cost is maybe 32,000 or 28,000. How do you know that cost is today market prices?
So we don't know, sir.
So that's the
Just
reason.
you need to assume, sir.
Yes, we need to send a mail to the, I mean, RFQs, we are looking that same thing only. We will send the mails to the
Okay.
vendors, what is cost and all. So this is materials we are looking, please send me the prices and all.
Okay.
I don't know what number I have. Okay, so that is, okay, so enter purchase organization 223, purchase group 001. If I, second. ME41, okay, date 26, okay. This is our PR number, okay.
Yes, sir.
This is, I just now created PR, right? That is number, this is,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Okay, 5 pieces. So see, now I'm creating plant delivery date is 10th July. Okay, plant D1 Q. Okay, see, this is valuation here. This price is there in my database cost. This 32 TV inches. Okay, this
Yes,
valuation
sir.
price in MM01 I created price. Maybe today I don't know what is the cost for the materials. Okay, now I am going to purchasing materials. Okay, this price values you just forgot about. Okay, here whatever it is there in my database, it is coming. Now which vendor is going to supplying, we need to be finalize the vendor. D1 S1 storage location. Okay, save PR. Okay, 887 PO number, I mean PR number. With this PR number, I will create to RFQ. So RFQ creation ME41. So 41 in under that. So document type is EIN, RFQ date is today date. So quotation deadline. Vendor has to give within 4 days the prices I'm looking, whatever the material cost. Okay, so now if I will click here, this is my RFQ number, PR number. Okay, just continue here. Okay, collective number, why we need to be maintain collective number means, now examples 3 to 4 vendors I will send. So what why I am requesting vendors to the send me the prices for the different vendors. So vendor will send the materials with vendor will give the prices to me. How? After I maintain the prices in system only check the backend which vendor is low cost to high medium based on this collective number. Okay, so anyway, 2 3 steps if you know that, after we will come to know. Okay, so enter collective number numeric or alpha. It's a 10 characters length, whatever it may be. Okay, let's examples. I will maintain E1 2 3 4 5. Okay, enter. See, this is my PR number, materials under. Okay, my plant storage location 5 pieces, 5 laptops, sorry, 5 TVs, delivery date to 10th July. Okay, so just select line item. Okay, go to adapt plus details. Now you can send which vendors you are going to sending these quotations. You just enter. Okay, see here. So you just enter the vendors. Let's examples. My vendors, in my vendor database, it's already there. Okay, now okay, so Bangalore vendor 6. I'm going to send this vendor. What is the price for that? Okay, just continue. Okay, save. So RFQ number we need to be remember this one. So after you save this one. Okay, 670 so 262. Now I will send to another vendor. So Bangalore vendor 7. Okay. Okay, save. Now 263 will come here. RFQ numbers. You're observing, right? Down it's we are getting RFQ numbers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Signal is not there. Wi-Fi. That's what. Very slow. Okay. 263. Now I will send another vendors because if you're sending prices for vendors, at least 3 vendors should be there. RFQs. Okay. At least we should to get the quotations from the any metals purchasing organizations. We need to get to 3 vendors prices. Okay. Now see 3 RFQs we send it. After this number, okay, so this 670 is 263, sorry, 262, 263, 264. This will take the printout RFQ number, then we will send to the vendors. That is still we discussed last class, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll see after see these steps we done now. RFQs creation we done, we send it to the vendors. Now we'll see price maintenance ME47. Okay, price maintenance ME47 means it's a now we will log in here ME47. So with the first RFQ number, what is the RFQ? First is 6262. Okay, enter. Okay, so here net price is there. So whatever vendor he will send from his company letter through mail Outlook ID, he will send the prices to you, your mail ID. Okay, so whatever we received from the prices, we need to be entered in this system. That is only price maintenance. because vendor is not using SAP, right? The vendor, he will send the prices from his company letterhead. So what is the warranty, what is any terms and conditions, everything you will mention and send. Okay, it's example. Now I will enter this TV price is one vendor is giving 25,000. Okay. Why this one? Let's come. Okay, so after you enter price, maybe sometimes it will not accept here. Then select line item, go to here item, under item conditions. Otherwise, you can select line item directly. You can maintain here item conditions. Go to item conditions here. Okay, the price is 25,000. Okay, just enter. Okay, here PB00 is a standard price, gross price. We need to be selected here. Understand, right? This PB00 gross price. In info record we discussed PB00 gross price. Okay, just enter 25,000 rupees vendor per TV. Okay, in case vendor is giving discount, okay, then go back. I mean here, just maintain discount on discount on net price. RA00. So you just mention 3%. So after, see now 25,000 per piece, 3% discount. After that 24,250 per piece. You understand, right? So 5 pieces we ordered. So that is total cost is 1,21,250 rupees. Now if we go back, see now prices it is there 24,250 per piece. Okay, save. So like that we need to be create to all the prices, whatever vendor we send it to us, we need to be entered in SAP system. That is only price maintenance. Now save. One vendor is 242, sorry, 262 is over. Now third vendor, I mean second vendor, 263 vendor. What is given prices? Same. Okay, select line item, go to item condition. Why it's actually this screen, it's not required. Okay, one vendor is giving 30,000 maybe. Okay, maybe in your system it's not required. It's not, will not ask. Okay, so select line item, go to item conditions. So okay, so here PB00 30,000 vendor is giving. Okay, so discount to RA00. Okay, 3% is given. Okay, so per piece now it is in 29,100. Okay, save. Sorry, come back. Okay, so now 29,100 per piece. Now another vendor, third vendor, 243 quotation number. Sorry, 264. Okay, enter. Okay, select line item, go to item conditions. Actually, when you do practice time, maybe you're not getting this screen. No? Don't get confused. In case if you got this, enter prices. Okay, now this vendor is also giving 30,000 roughly. I'm saying. Okay, PC. Okay, okay. Discount PB00 30,000. This vendor also. Okay, next to RA00 discount is giving 4% roughly. Okay, now I will go back, save. Now whatever we received from the prices from vendor, we entered in systems. That is ME47 price maintenance. That is T code is ME47. Even nothing, we are not doing anything here. Whatever we received from the prices, we entering here in systems. That is price maintenance. Okay, next to price comparisons. If you want to changes anything, ME48, whatever you wanted, quotations, if you want to change, let's examples, ME48, okay, okay, this 264 on quotations. Okay, now if you want to change prices, okay, select, okay, this is display is there. No, even the changes also same thing. It's not changes, it's a display. Okay, display 40. Create and changes is a 47 only. You see examples, ME 47. Okay, 264. Okay, now he's saying that it's a price 28,500, 800, but maybe you mistakenly somewhat you entered wrong price or something. Then you can change here, maybe so something changes if you want to do the quotations. ME 47 itself. Okay, 30,000 it initially is given by mistakenly. Let's examples you maintain 31,000 roughly. Okay, in case. Okay, now we'll go back and save in case changes means. Okay, create and changes both are same. This price maintenance and changes, ME47. So display ME48. Next to price comparisons, ME49. Okay, if you see ME49, see here the quotation number you can enter here, otherwise collective number you can enter. So collective number what we entered at the time of first time vendor, I mean RFQ creations, I entered 1 2 3 4 5. I entered. You remember, right?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Yes. Just execute now. See, system only give that to price comparison. See now, Bangalore vendor 6, 7, 8, 9, 3 vendors. See now one vendor is giving 24,250. One vendor is giving 29,100. One vendor is giving 29,760. So this I didn't enter and I didn't check this. The system only give the backend to price comparisons with the collective number. So otherwise we need to be enter manually, right? So we have to put one table which vendor is giving L1, L2, L3. We need to be decide like that. But otherwise the system only check the prices, whose least price. So obviously this rank 1 is a least, rank 2, rank 3 are high cost compared to this vendor. Now obviously we will release the purchase order to the this vendor, Bangalore vendor 6, correct?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now, how about these quotations? We need to be rejected in our databases. Otherwise, the rejection, otherwise the status will be open RFQs. So vendor also you will expecting, okay, we send it already prices to the one company, maybe they will release the order, something they will expect it. So we need to send a mail or we can call the vendor because this your price is compared to very high is there. So we are not releasing order. So we will tell the communications to the vendor and we need to be reject this applications like application is we need to be reject these quotations 263 264. Otherwise my databases this RFQ numbers or status will be open, so we cannot keep it open status, whether if you need to be order release, whether you need to be cancel, whether you need to be reject it or you need to be close the RFQs. If you want to reject to close everything we can do here. So ME47 itself, again this one only. If you want to any reject some RFQs, ME47 only we can do. See here in this screen itself. Now we are there in ME49, right?
Yes, sir.
Just double click this RFQ. You will go back again ME47. See here. See here. Here rejected it is there. Indicators R is there.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it right? If you select this, you select and save this one. So that means this RFQ number is rejected because price it's not meet our requirement, because other vendors are is giving price is a compared to this vendor is a high. So we are going to reject this. So select R here, reject indicator, then save. Okay, now we have to go back again, another vendor, 264. Double click RFQ number. Okay, go to here, select reject indicator and save.
Save.
Now, obviously, now who will release the purchase order? Which vendor? Now we'll see the Bangalore vendor 6. So this vendor, now we are going to create the purchase order. Okay. So
Okay.
this is, now we'll see the PO creation. Okay. Purchase order. Okay. Definition means it's a external document, purchase order. Because why it's external document means we are sending outside the organizations to the vendor, right? So that's the reason. So
Yes,
the
sir.
purchase order is external document, and plus it's a legal document. Legal documents means company is confirming, vendor also confirmed that this is the metals we needed from company side. We confirming to the vendor, send me this prices, I mean send me the materials so on date, this is the quantity, and we giving the confirmation to the vendor, correct? So that is called as a, it's a legal
Exactly.
document. It's a legal document. Purchase order is external document and legal document. Okay. Next. So purchase order. Okay. Data maintain three levels. As we said in PR also, so purchase document data maintain three levels: header level, item overview, item details. In header level, the company code, purchase organization, purchase group, we are going to maintain it. Okay. Next, item overview, material description, quantity, plan to, and storage location, prices, which will come. Next, item details, material group, conditions, material description, quantity, plant, and storage location, price. This all information will come. This is in purchase data document maintain three levels: header level, item level, and item overview. So this item level, item overview, item details. Is it clear?
It's a clear.
Now, some of the standard documents is there. Standard purchase document for PR and PO is both will be NB is a standard document type. Okay. Next,
Okay.
this is a standard document types. NB is a standard document type. UB is a STO. STO means it's a stock transport order. That means within the company, between two company codes, any stock transfer. Okay. STO means it's a within the company, maybe between two plants or between two storage locations. This will come under as a UB is a stock transport order. And we will see one topic is there, we'll discuss it. Okay. Next, FO is a framework order and limit and blanket PO. Have you heard about this limit and blanket POs anywhere?
Limit blanket. No, sir.
Okay. See, blanket and limit PO generally when we have rate contract from the stationery items or pantry items with vendors. So stationery items are maybe or 50 items are there. Spiral notebook, again spiral notebook, small size, medium, long. Again, medium is 100 pages, 200 pages. Like that, it's n number of stationery items are there. Pen is there, marker pen, green. Other again, colors are there, cartridges are there. There are a lot of stationery items are there. So the stationery items vendor, we will give 3 lakhs POs to him, value PO value. So under that 3 lakhs PO value, under that I am sending the materials whatever I wanted as per the rate card. Okay, spiral notebook I wanted 30 pieces, and marker pen I wanted 50 pieces, and cartridges I wanted 5 pieces. Then paper rims 10 bundles. Like that, I will send the mails to the vendor will supply the as per the rate contract. Okay, reference to one blanket PO. The 3 lakhs under that. So whatever this month I'm purchasing 30,000, next month I will purchase 50,000, but I don't want to be sent the I don't want to be create the purchase order. That is blanket. Open PO we will give with the PO limit value. So under that I will placing orders, vendor will supply the materials, Then once he will supply the materials, he will submit the invoice. We will make the payment to the vendors. So that will come under as a blanket PO. Okay. Next to DO is there, dummy purchase order. So dummy purchase order means whenever we doing the implementation time, we are creating this testing purpose. Dummy purchase order means it's a testing purpose. So what are the document types in purchase orders means this is NB is a standard document type and UB is a stock transport order, FO is a framework order, under that limit and blanket PO, and DO is a dummy purchase order. So this is the document types, PO document types. Understand, right?
Yes, sir.
No confusion, right?
No, sir, no confusion.
Okay. Okay. Next to PO creations. So PO creation with reference to, we can create PR, we can create RFQ, we can create contracts. Any one of these we can create a purchase order. Otherwise, we can create manually also. I will show you how to create that is also. So manual PO creation are with reference to any PR number is there, any RFQ number is there, any contract number. With that number also, we can create purchase order. Okay. So PO creation is ME21N, changes ME22N, display 23N. Okay. PO release code. I mean that means release means again it's approvals. ME29N. Okay, automatic PO creation on PO is there, on topic is there, we'll discuss. These two we'll discuss later. Okay, that is separately process are there. Why I am telling here, this may be sometimes they will go for interviews also, they will ask. So what is the automatic PO creation T code? ME59N. Okay. So what is the PO release or PO release approvals code or transaction code means also ME29N. Okay. Next, list of materials or open PO reports. T code is a ME2M. ME2M. Maybe sometimes interviews they will ask what is the open PO reports. If I want to see the open PO reports, my company code, what is the T code? So ME2M. Okay. Next, reports for vendors, ME2L. So now we'll see the practically in system and create number ranges for purchase order OMH6. Okay. This we'll see later. Understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll create one purchase order. So the purchase order number, if we will create this vendor also, no problem. Bangalore 6 TV 9 32 inches or big. Otherwise, we will go for ME21N purchase order creation. So that is T code ME21N. This is ME21N PO creations. 1 second. Okay, so ME21N purchase order creation. Okay, see here when you log into the PO screen, the standard document type is NB. Okay, PO whenever you creating, so automatically document type it will come under as a NB, standard
NB.
document NB. Okay, maybe client will tell I don't want to be used this NB standard document type. Okay, we will create that and we will assign to number ranges. Anyway, we'll see it. Okay, now see the purchase document data maintain header, item overview, item details. Okay, first we have to enter the vendor, which vendor we are going to create the purchase order. Let's example Bangalore vendor. Okay, enter. In header level, see purchase organization, purchase group, company. This is only I entered here. See, in header level, company code, purchase organization, purchase group. See here, purchase organization, purchase group, company code. Purchase organization D123, purchase group 001 standard, company code D123. Okay, item overview. So here, which materials you are going to purchase and we need to be enter. Let's examples. Maybe if we have materials, anything we can select here. Go to D1 P1 plant. Material search by plant here. And this is plant. So I will take any one material. Let's example. Okay, Sony projectors I will take. Okay, Sony projector. Okay, 5 pieces. Okay, delivery date to 10th July. Okay, net prices I will put as a maybe 35,000 something. This is we are entering manually. I will show you with reference to RFQs with reference to PR how to create also. Okay, plan to D1 P1. Okay, storage location D1 S1. Okay, enter price PB00. Okay, here 35,000 roughly. Okay, so now total cost is 35,000 per piece cost to total is a 1,75,000. Okay, so same whatever we are discussed under PR, this quantity and delivery dates, schedules, delivery invoice, conditions, test purpose means again what purpose we are going to purchase in this materials, we need to be enter comments here. Okay, so delivery address where he has to come these materials, plant storage locations. Okay, then save. Okay, now one PO created. Okay, so 469 our P1M. If we see the purchase order changes ME22N, okay, 469 P1 number. Okay, last number. Go to other purchase order here. 469 is a P1 number. Okay, so this is Sony projector 1. Under this changes, so interview questions lot of is there. So after PO creating or maybe, so how do you, okay, changes, now I want to be changes prices in purchase order. How I can change the prices? Maybe 22N we can change prices. Okay, otherwise if you want to add any line items, we can add here. Maybe see examples. D1 P1. Okay, let's example, so 4 GB RAM if you're planning to buy. Okay, enter 4 GB RAM or 5 10 pieces. Okay, delivery date same 2020, I mean 7/20/20. Okay, this 2000 per piece. Okay, plant D1 P1. Okay, okay, so PB00 grass price here 2000 rupees. Okay, now we created two line items. So maybe if you don't want to delete any other line item, select line item, we can delete here. In case if 4 line items you created purchase order, but when you go for when you're releasing materials to the vendor or when you're releasing purchase order to the vendor, we can delete one item. You got internally, we are not planning now. Can you please cancel these materials? Okay, select line item, we can delete here. Okay, yes, you can give the materials will be deleted. So only one material cost we will send the POs to the vendor. This is okay. After maybe interest they will ask. So how do you PO blocked in purchase orders? How you can PO block? You can tell me, or which transaction code? And same transaction code ME22N. Okay, select line item. In item details here block is there. If I click here, the block automatically here status yes is this block symbol. The block symbol will come here. If you see here, if I click here, see now we can, if you see now PO is a blocker. Now we cannot send this purchase order. We cannot release to the approvers. We can even managers also is not possible for releasing. If system, if anything's PO is a blocked, that means if you blocked, unblocked, same thing. If you want to unblock this purchase order, select line item with the same transaction code ME22N. Here unblock is there. You just click this one, the status will be again the block to unblock will happen. Why is taking so much time? Mm. Bah. Okay. Okay, now see the PO we earlier we blocked, now we done the unblocked. Okay. See, after maybe now sometimes you entered 4 line items. Okay. Interest they will ask in PO 4 5 line items are there. Can we release PO line item wise? Is it possible? I'm asking to you. As per your knowledge, in purchase order, 4 5 line items are there. Can we release item wise separately? Hello?
Sir?
Can we release?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Hello?
Sir.
Can we release? See, now one PO 5 line items are there. Okay, can we release line item wise separately? For your knowledge, tell
Sir,
me.
we can release now.
If you know,
Sir,
yes.
separately
Or
we can. For the same material or different material, sir?
Same materials. Why? Same material, 4 5 line items. So now Sony projector is there, Sony laptop is there, Sony mobile is there, or Dell laptop is there. Multiple items in one PO. Can we release line item wise? That means it's a material wise, separately.
But PO number will change. We will get same, na sir?
No, no, you tell me whether we can
For all material.
release it's possible or not, I'm asking.
Not sir. We can't.
Exactly. If multiple line items are there, multiple PO line materials is there, one PO 10 items also there, we cannot release line item wise. We need to be released single shot. That means all items in one shot itself. We cannot release line items wise. Interviews they will ask this kind of questions. See, in PO 5 line items are there. Can we release PO line item wise? It's not possible. Okay, that is. Okay. Next question.
Okay.
Now, after you created purchase order, okay, some vendor is giving some other materials. Let's examples. I will create here Sony 4 GB RAM. Okay, 2 pieces. Okay, delivery same. Okay, 2000. Roughly, I'm entering. Okay, per piece cost. Mm, okay, now two line items are there. Okay, vendor is giving this item is free of cost, maybe some other reasons. Okay, by mistakenly I entered material cost in purchase order. How I want to make this material cost zero in purchase order? Interview they will ask questions. Can we make the material cost after you PO created, by mistake you entered prices, material prices in purchase order? Can we maintain after PO creation, material cost zero? Yes, we can maintain with ME22N changes. See here, we have one option is there, free one tick is there here. See, return fee free is there. If I tick here, okay, for this automatically now it's a 2000 is there. Automatically material cost will be zero. If you tick those indicators and save in case. Okay, when you save this purchase order, see now material cost, observe it, right?
0.
uh,
Yes sir.
so this kind of questions they will ask. After PO creation, can we maintain material cost zero? Yes, we can do. Under the T code is ME22N, there is a one free option is the checkbox is there. If you tick that checkbox, automatically material cost will be zero. If untick that checkbox, if you give here price whatever it may be, system will consider it. System will not accepting if you enter any prices here. We need to be remove here tick. Okay, if we remove this tick, so then automatically the price will system will consider here. Okay, that is one question. Then now you created one purchase order. Okay, after purchase order, so vendor is saying that okay, so I'm not supplying materials. Okay, or maybe the shipping charges is a FRA1. Okay, freight charge. shipping charges. I will make it as or 1,000 rupees roughly. Okay, 1,000 rupees for shipping charges. Now vendor is saying that this thousand vendor is saying that I'm not supplying material. You will tell your vendor to come and pick the materials to our organizations, or maybe my warehouse in on Jignia, or my Gordon Jignia or Pina, wherever it may be. So we don't have facilities for the supplying materials. Some vendor if say. Okay. What you will do, we will send our transportation vendor. We already tie up with one vendor, transportation vendor. So he will go and come and pick the metal from the vendor delivery vendor warehouse, and he will deliver it to our office. Okay. So this is also one question is, can we maintain two vendors in purchase order? Is it possible?
Two vendors.
Yes.
No, yes, sir. No, we can't make in one part P1, sir.
One vendor is a material vendor is there, one other vendor is a transportation vendor. Can we maintain both vendors in single
Yes,
PO?
sir. Yes, sir. We can maintain, sir. Because say only one material, sir.
No, one materials are 1,000 materials. I'm not
Okay,
asking
sir.
one or 1,000. 10 items are there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Uh, can we maintain two vendors in one purchase order?
Yes, sir. We can maintain.
How?
Uh, how many? Uh,
As per your knowledge, tell me how you can maintain two vendors. One is material vendor, one more is a transportation vendor. Can we maintain in single PO?
yes, sir. We can maintain, sir.
How?
Delivery charges we can.
If his vendor is different, right?
Yes, sir.
Then how you will maintain delivery charges also in one PO? Because delivery supplying vendor is different, metals vendor is metals vendor is separate, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it maintain or not?
No, sir. We can't maintain, sir. For transport, we can.
Hmm.
We need to create another P1, sir.
That's why I don't know. I'm asking to you. As per your knowledge, say generally in non-SAP companies and all, we have to maintain two separate POs. One is a materials PO, one more is a separate for the transportation. Okay, but in SAP we can maintain material cost, materials for one PO, I mean one vendor. The same purchase order we can enter the shipping charges, the transportation vendor also. How means, see, this is my shipping, right? The
Yes, sir.
transportation charges. Select line item. Okay. Here, select line item. Here, item details are there. Okay. Condition details. Select this condition type shipping charges. Then click here condition details. Okay. See here. This is transportations one. Here it is vendor is there. Bangalore 6 is there. Now, if you want to change this vendor for only transportation vendors, then we can maintain here, or whatever in our databases are there, we can enter here. Okay, maybe non-SAP this is not possible. Maybe it is in SAP system. We can maintain two vendors in one purchase order. Okay, enter now. See now materials is supplying here. Metals is supplying Bangalore vendor 9. Okay, material vendor. This transportation vendor select line item. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, select line item here, go to item details or condition details down. So this is the shipping transport vendor. You can enter different vendor also here who are supplying material, transportation vendor. Okay, then two invoices you will come from the vendor side. One is material invoice, second is a transportation invoice, but different vendors, but reference number is same with PO number. Two invoices will